Your moviebox is not loading. If you enter into your moviebox app and it's not showing any video or any sign of trying to show up any trendy movie or any movie at all, in today's video I'm going to guide you on how to fix that problem. First, all you need to do is to tap and hold on your moviebox and click on app info. Okay, once you click on that, you're going to go to the storage and cache and clear your moviebox storage and also clear the moviebox cache. So once you do that, you go back gently and force stop the app. Then you leave the settings, okay, and go to your phone master. Okay. Storage, clear and click on app. Click on apps. So once you click on the app here, apps, you are going to be clicking on app reinstall. Okay. Once you click on that, you click on moviebox. Then click on reinstall here on moviebox. Reinstall your moviebox. Mind you, if you have any video on or if you have any movie on, that moviebox is going to be removed. Okay. So after that, you can go ahead and restart your phone. Okay, restart your phone and go and try if it's going to work. I'm sure it's going to work. If you found this video helpful, because I'm currently very end of this video, please do to subscribe to the channel. Tell me if you want to know anything concerning moviebox or you are still finding anything difficult on moviebox. I won't hesitate to give you guys feedback. See you in the next one. Bye.